which of the following substance related to the thyroid function has its effects mediated by nuclear receptor? That means from the thyroid gland there is the T4 and T3 secretion, and from the anterior pituitary thyroid stimulating hormone release, from the hypothalamus thyrotropin releasing hormone release. But among them we have to find out the mediators which acts directly on the nuclear receptor of the different cell and they exits desired function. Here the options are triiodothyronine, thyroxine, thyroglobulin, thyroid stimulating hormone, thyroxine binding globulin. So among these, which of the agent which is acts on the nuclear receptor and finally exerts the desired function? First of all, let's see the hormone of the thyroid gland. First of all, it is the T3, and T3, which is the triiodothyronine, it is major hormone that active on the target cell. Then thyroxine, which is the T4, most prevalent form of the plasma, that means most of the thyroid hormone in the form of the T4 but less biologically active than the T3. And calcitonin, it is another hormone released from the thyroid gland and it reduces the serum calcium level. Here we can see the action of the T3 and T4. T3 and T4, they both enter in the cell, but here we can see the T3 is more active and T3 directly goes within the nucleus and it is responsible for desired action. In this figure we can see the T4 or thyroxine, it converted into the T3 and then T3 go to the nucleus. Although the T4 is very abundant in the blood, but for final action the T4 has to be converted into the T3 and T3 goes to the nucleus and it is responsible for desired action. So which of the following effects mediated by the nuclear receptor? It is the T3, which is the triiodothyronine. Other options such as the thyroxine or T4, it goes to the cell and it converted to the T3 and finally this T3 goes to the action. Thyroglobulin, the thyroglobulin is present within the colloid of the thyroid follicle and the thyroglobulin it is present within the colloid. It has no role to action on the terminal organ. And thyroid stimulating hormone, the thyroid stimulating hormone, it acts only on the thyroid gland, not the peripheral tissue. And thyroid binding globulin, it is also not true.